People often ask me, are there responses to behavior that can make the situation worse? Absolutely, hands down, yes. Here's the thing you want to think about. There's a very big difference between reaction and response. We need to be more responsive versus reactive. When you react to a behavior, you ask a question like, why did you do that? Or you yell, or you say, get out, or I'm calling. Your reaction is actually escalating the behavior. When you respond to a behavior, it means that you have taken the moment to take your emotion out of it. When you take your emotion out of it, that anger, feeling annoyed, feeling disrespected, whatever it is that you're emotionally feeling in the moment, you have a chance to actually respond. So always remember that if you're reacting, it's going to make the situation worse. If you have taken your emotion out of it and taken a moment, that split second we need to stop and think, give yourself that moment, you'll be able to respond and say, okay, what am I dealing with right now? Keep myself calm, give a clear direction, or maybe my response, this has been one that I've gotten a lot of mileage out of it, sometimes the best response is no response at all, and you are in control.